So number 5 says, the gas tank in Zachary's car has a capacity of 60 liters. Okay, so that's the total. He adds 23 liters, 825 milliliters of gas to the tank, which already has 2,050 milliliters of gas. We need to know how much more gas can Zachary add to the tank. Okay, so he has one gas tank. Okay. So we have a total capacity of 60 liters. Okay, so now when he goes to fill up his tank, he already has a little bit of gas in there. Okay, which is this amount right here. Okay, now again, it's not giving us a specific unit that we need, so since most everything else is in liters, I'm just going to take my 2,050 milliliters, I'm going to turn it into 2 liters, 50 milliliters. Okay, all right, then he adds 23 liters, 825 milliliters. We need to know how much more can he put to that tank to get up to that full 60. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to add up the total amount of gas that would be in the tank. Okay, so we take the 2 liters, 50 milliliters he started with. We add to that the amount that he put into the tank. Okay, to find out the total amount of gas currently in the tank. Okay, so we add that up. We end up with 25 liters, 875 milliliters. Okay, well now we need to know, if he has this in his tank now, how much more do we need to get to that full 60? So we're going to take our 60 liters and we're going to subtract it from the amount of gas that's now in the tank. Okay, so right away we notice that we don't have any milliliters to subtract from. So we're going to decompose our 60 liters into 59 liters so that we could bring 1,000 milliliters over here. Okay, now when we go to subtract, we need to already decompose in our ones place. So instead of 100 tens, we'll have 99. Okay, so that we can have our 10 ones. Now we can go through and subtract. Okay, and we get 34 liters, 125 milliliters. Okay, so Zachary can add 34 liters, 125 milliliters to the tank. Okay, now number 6. A giraffe is 5 meters, 20 centimeters tall. An elephant is 1 meter, 77 centimeters shorter. Notice that word shorter, so we're going to be subtracting later. Now the rhinoceros is 1 meter, 58 centimeters shorter than the elephant. We need to know how tall is the rhinoceros. So we have 3 animals here. We've got the giraffe, the elephant, and the rhinoceros. Okay, so we have an exact measurement for the giraffe. We all know the elephant is a little bit shorter. Okay, so we're going to put our 1 meter, 77 centimeters right there. Okay, now the rhinoceros is shorter than the elephant, so we're going to take our rhinoceros amount. Okay, and we know that our 1 meter, 58 centimeters would go there. Okay, so we're comparing the elephant to the giraffe and the rhino to the elephant. Okay, so our question here is asking us for just the height of the rhinoceros, so that's what we need to solve for. Now to solve for the rhinoceros, we need to solve for the elephant. So we're going to take the measurement of the giraffe, okay, and subtract the difference. Okay, so 20 minus 77, so we need to decompose 1 meter into 100 centimeters. Okay, so we can go ahead and subtract now. Okay, so this gives us the height of the elephant of 3 meters, 43 centimeters. Okay, now we can take this amount, subtract this difference, and we'll end up with the height of the rhino. Okay, so now again we see that we have 43 minus 58, so we're going to need to decompose one of our meters into 100 centimeters. Okay. And we end up with 1 meter, 85 centimeters. Okay? So the rhinoceros is 1 meter, 85 centimeters tall.